Hello. Hello.
No.
Pretty girl.
Yeah, she won't want to be
Pretty
near.
girl.
That's
Pretty
scary.
bird. You want a beer? Emily.
Emily's so quiet right now?
Hey?
Emily's so quiet right now?
Yeah.
Those are my last 3 dogs. Before I got the pit bull that you just saw.
Oh, Donnie, look at that.
That's funny, huh? Can you picture me walking those dogs? And I had an offspring just like her. Her name was Jewel. Yeah, and I sold it to my old landlord. This is my baby now. Abigail.
Abigail. Come here.
Sweet pea.
Yeah,
Sitting on her head.
Hi.
Oh no, look at you.
You got a buddy there.
Hi. Watch out, my friend. Casper. You're not gonna bite my face. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Look at Abby go. I know. She's all happy. I know. I know. I know. I know.
I love you too. I love you too.
Hello. See the fly when it comes out.
I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Here we go.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Casper.
Casper.
I'm good. How are you?
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
hi. Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. Yes.
Oh shit.
Ow. Ouch.
You're right, dude?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You got.
Am I bleeding?
Oh.
There goes the positive
Bastard.
energy.
He doesn't like your nose, I guess.
So it's like a beak. You think it's
Flesh
hard
wound.
before-
Flesh wound. Brethren, how bad is that? Let me see.
I don't know. It's probably
Let me
not.
see.
I don't think it's good.
Let me see it. Let me see. It can't
No,
be bad.
No, I don't think it's good.
Rada.